¿Cómo está? Awkward. Okay. I'm Lindy.
I'm Annie.
Ugly name. Looks like a freaking orphan. Okay. Anyways. Just kidding. We were going through this internet site that has ringtones, and we thought that these next couple were just really special. So we're gonna show them to you, along with a little improv dancing. Okay? Here we go.
You got 10 seconds to take this call. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Picking up earlier.
Definitely picking up that phone within 10 seconds. That's for sure.
Yeah.
How about you? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This one's really cute.
Hey, Charlie, when your life's a mess, when you're feeling blue, always in
I'm listening to the Killers. I know, right?
I know what can set that away. All you have to do
Don't sing.
is put a banana in your ear.
A banana in my ear?
Put a ripe banana right into your favorite ear. It's true,
That's all.
so true. Once it's in your gloom, will disappear. The bad in the world is hard to hear. When in your ear, a banana cheers. So go and put a banana in your ear.
Alright, so that was the banana ear.
Charlie the Unicorn. Dos.
2. Dos. This one's pretty techno.
There's someone calling.
Oh yeah. Forgot.
And you better answer so we don't have to suffer. And hear that someone's calling. Hey, your phone is ringing. Come on and pick it up, or else it won't stop. So pick up your phone.
Sorry about that. Awkward. Okay. Oh yeah, this is our little song we have a dance to. It's
Oh
really-
yeah. Yeah. Made it in the car.
Yeah. Sweet. Okay.
Here it goes. Hate it. I hate how it ends like that.
What the?
MyTinyPhone.com. Use them if you like them, but not
Okay, we're not.
if it does
They're
that.
promoters, okay?
I know. I'm not promoting them. I'm
You
saying
just
that
said
they
their name.
suck.
Okay, whatever. Next one. This one's really cute. Touches my heart.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my
Oh, the words.
sweetie pie.
Coming.
You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickles, buckums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so. And I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 2 songs to you because you are so dear.
Deer, you know, like, deer, car deer. No? Alrighty. Next one. Oh, yeah. Everyone knows this song.
You have to.
You have to. If you don't,
Can't live life.
go slap yourself.
Yeah. Go hang yourself.
No, I'm just
Kidding.
I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy bear. Oh, I'm a
Yeah.
gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear.
Okay.
awkward silence.
See?
Okay.
See?
See what?
Listen.
No. Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Ready? Here's ooh, ah.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
That one ends early too. Like, what the heck?
See?
Why can't they just finish
Don't
it?
use them.
Okay.
You do the sisters calling
no.
thing. No, that's when you call me, and I think
know,
it's
but
really
I'll, okay, fine.
Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you.
Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new. Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new.
I'm really bad at remembering lyrics. I
Me
just
too,
realized
you
that.
know.
Like, just
It happens.
okay.
Oh.
Great.
See, you'll see right here.
Yeah, it's great.
How bad lyrics, you know. Yeah.
We suck.
Yeah.
Spring.
Do you know that? Let us know.
Yeah.
Wonderful thing about Tiggers. In Tiggers are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber. Their bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about Tiggers is I'm the only one. I'm the only one.
Didn't have the little
The
who part.
because
So-
they suck.
Yeah, so we had to add it in. Pretty good, huh?
Yep.
Alright, so that pretty much sums up our ringtone, what do you even call it?
I don't know.
Stupid.
Fiesta.
Yeah, like, I don't know.
Yeah, it's just.
That's gross, okay? Nasty. Dude, really?
Get that fixed.
Dude, what did you eat for dinner?
Pizza.
What's that,
Same
some
thing
bean
you ate.
burritos?
Mhm.
I ate bean burritos. Yeah, about that.